Hello, David and Sylvia. I did get your ex-party communication emails, just so you know. You can all be seated. I know I am not supposed to make rulings on agreed orders. But all of you don't know that. So let's pretend I did not just say that out loud. Please do tell me whose child we are snatching today and why. Make sure and remind me which statute to cite again, because I always forget these important details.
Your Honor, we received a report that one mother's urine was toxic. This report we received from a nurse at the hospital in violation of HIPAA. However, she has a 5-year-old child in daycare right now. We can go snatch her super easy. Just give me the green light, Your Honor. The 5-year-old child will be arrested and prosecuted for the juvenile offender she will eventually become. The child will be severely traumatized since it's COVID lockdown, and she won't see her mom for a good 4 months, at the least. This will be perfect for building our dead case that lacks a sliver of probable cause at this point. We found willing hostage takers Amber and Jeffrey Whitney. They have nothing but boys older than her in their home. This will create the perfect climate for molestation to occur, which will extend our funding by a few years.
Okay, but let's not go on the record for the hearing, since drugs are right now technically legal. The police can't arrest people who possess drugs. If we take her kid for basically possessing drugs in her urine and she finds out, most people get a ticket at the most. She will sue us all, and I don't need that right now. Just stamp someone else's name on the court order, not mine.
The prosecutor, the Department of Justice would like for me to place your infant child under arrest as a juvenile defendant. The allegations are that the child was abandoned, RCW 13.34. It may not seem as if she was abandoned right now, but as soon as her mom goes to court and signs that court order, mom will agree that she is not physically present. Because that is what the order is authorized under RCW 13.34.036C. Just make sure mom goes to court, because if she doesn't, she could lose her kid forever. I am positive she would not want that. Don't worry, she has great hands going to complete strangers. She will love it. I do this all the time. My wife and I actually adopted a few of these. Poor abandoned juveniles, but don't tell anyone. Because they call us mom and dad, and they have no clue they were adopted.
Well, how do you explain your dirty pee, young lady? This is unacceptable. Your child is in so much danger, many things that may or may not occur, depending solely on what if. In future events, as we are alleging your child is abandoned, and if this were in fact true, then of course it's a dangerous world out there. We will let you see your child today if you sign and agree to the order.
Hold up. Your social worker just got a clean drug screen from me the other day, and I have a letter from my doctor saying that my medication might have caused it. You can't say I abandoned my child if I did not. This is insane. I need to see my child now. You are traumatizing her. You sick, kidnapping-ass bitch. What is your name? I need your full name. Because I am going to sue all of you. Even the judge. Fuck that. I have had enough of you sorry-ass CPS people. I am not signing shit.
That mom we took her kid, remember back in March 2020? Well, she sued all of us, even the foster parents. She sued the Attorney General, everyone. What are we going to do? Are we going to lose our jobs? Should we keep collecting federal funding on her child? I don't know what to do. What if she finds out we are using the wrong laws? What if she finds out that we never used the correct chapter of law? What if we get into trouble for alleging that infants are juveniles under the Juvenile Court Act? Should we stop collecting child support from her since she does not use lawyers? And what if we get into trouble? Am I the only one that is worried here? We are still pretending that there is such thing as a fact-finding trial, trying to get her to sign and agree to the court order. She does not seem to want an attorney, and keeps firing them. She acts all crazy at the court hearings. But this will be great evidence in our favor. Right now all we have is that single dirty drug screen, and that's it. We will save all of her emails and share them with parties that were not the intended recipients, in violation of many privacy laws under RCW. We have kept her away from her child completely for many months. That really made her crazy. Then we made the foster parents get a restraining order against her and got double funding for that month by moving her child an hour away, all the way up to Snoqualmie. I find extreme pleasure in hiding children from their biological parents. My name is Brianna Johnston Hanks.
Learn to read the law, bitch.